So here we are gathering to conduct a project knowledge seminar with our services offered, CU Builders Company, so Incorporated. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Engineer Gracious Pagar II, your sales engineer at CU Builders Incorporated. And together with me is our marketing lead, Miss Melody Arise. Then also let me introduce to you also our team. Marketing lead, Ma'am Melody Rais, Dia Abderrahla Cabonilla, our marketing specialist in Bohol, and also Clarice Pangan, our admin specialist. If kintahay pohon na may ma-close, dili kintahay, na may ma-close, siya itong doon for incentives and commissions. And yours truly, your sales engineer. So here's a brief introduction of our company. So here's a video clip. So our company, Construction Expert and Outstanding Builders Incorporated, has a broad range of design, construction and engineering services with expertise in construction of residential subdivisions and condominiums, commercial and institutional establishment, infrastructure, and other properties development project, including but not limited to resort and resort development. So here's our ongoing projects in Bohol, Tagbilaran City, which we will be going to turn over this month or next month. Then also in Dawis, speaking Dawis, Ashira Properties, and also our finished project resort in Mabini, Bohol. And also in Dawis, turnover na Licea, and in Garcia Hernandez house restoration, and also in Baclayon, in Libertad Baclayon, which is in the entrance of Padong sa Atara, and also that one is in Carmen, and also here in Cebu City, Cebu San na siya sa Mindanilla project. So we are not limited also in Bohol, but within Region 7 or sa Visayas region. So why CU Builders is the best choice? So our client chooses to avail our services CU Builders because we are a hassle-free services company. So from the start of the construction until the turnover of the project, kami na mo trabaho na tanan. Then also we take care of everything from conceptualization of your design, dream home, building permits, tanan mga permits and licenses. Also, we are customer focused since we are client first. So we take note of our idea, concerns, and dreams attentively. And also, we are committed to excellence since we strive for better construction, quality and better construction. And also, we have established teams like architect, engineers to do the design and estimation of the project. And also, we'll build structure and quality works. We ensure that our services and our project is well built since sa foundation, from the foundation until one project, maging siguro ang quality niya nga output. Next, we have the best value of time and money. So we'll make sure that unsay gibayad ng client, worth it with iyang put up nga. Worth it with iyang gibayad na to. So here's our services offered. So our services, So our services are design, so here's our services offered. We design and build. Makita mo ang main priority of our services offered. We do also house restoration. We do also interior design. And also swimming pool installation. If naman mga client na mapagamaw swimming pool. We do also fence installation as what you mentioned sir kanina. Mudumi anak. Site landscaping. Ugnay magpa-beautify sa ito ang projects sa ito ang client. So all of our services and services offered are contract bindings from the design, build, fencing, interior, swimming pool, and landscaping. for the purpose that for the transparency also with the client, para fair and just good on both parties. Then these contracts also serve for our agent and nasa sila na kanang mabalikan gyud si client sa amo. So account management, muna ito mga necessary fees if si client is mo avail sa itong package ng design and build. So for residential, sa design sa design phase, our client will require to pay the 2.5% of the design fee. If si client magpatukod og commercial sa atoa, so si client need to pay the 3% of the design fee, which is ato na siya akwaon allocated for the total estimated cost. And the interior design is 12%. So ang pagkuhaan na niya is katong applicable rate times the total project cost. Manang pagkuha sa ato ang design fee. And for our design fee, natay two phases nga maagian if si client is mo-go sa ato ang design. So first phase is 70% of the 2.5% of the total estimated cost will our muna itong unang bayaran ni client to proceed with the design and layout. So ang ato ang inclusions are the free 1 major revisions and the 3 minor revisions. And that's the type also present mini client kung sa iyang gusto na ipa-design sa balay, kung sa iyang preferences sa iyang project. So muna ang customer focus means is we deal our clients with their perspective, preferences and project. So for the phase 2, if manatanan ang design, layout, and approved na sa si client sa ato ang budget or the total contract price, so our client will be paying the 30% of the limited design fee, which is katong remaining balance of 2.5 na ito nga allocated, or 3% of whatever unsay patukod ni client sa ato. Approximately 15 working days. So ang note lang ana is the bill of materials is valid for 30 days only and will then be estimated thereafter. Kaya mag-change bitaw ato ang material cost. So need siya i-estimate magkasaka ang iyang total contract price. So for phase 3, if our clients will pull out the design, then not to proceed with the build for a reason siguro nga na pa siya sa gawas or dili pa siya ready, magtigong pa siya, or any reasons nga what behind our kanang human comprehension or sa diha. So not the adjusted design fee, but makuha lang ni client after paying the 8% of the total contract price. Muna to ang standard fee for pull out fee of the design. So after paying that 8% fee for the design fee, so our client will receive a 5 set of white print plans and ang requirement na to karon for the building permit, and also sign and seal by our architect and engineer.
8% dito na sa total cost.
8% na sir sa katong adjustment nga estimated cost, katong actual lang yun nga bill of quantity. Yes sir, kana. So note that in case the client will not proceed with the build phase, so they must pay the standard design fee for them to get the complete sign and seal plans. So muna ito ang computation for the design if the client will proceed sa build. So for example, we will have the total estimated cost of the project, which is 1.5 million, so times 2.5% reduced residential design rate. So the client will be paying us the 37,500 estimated design fee plus the 12% VAT, since we are a vatable company man. So his or her total payment for the design fee is 42,000. Then i-divide na siya kaduha kay 70-30 man to ang facing sa atong payment. So 29,400 for the phase 1 and 12,600 for the phase 2. Next, we have the adjusted balance if our client will pull out the design fee and the design rather. So mo na nitong adjustment mo differ gid siya, mo saka gid siya based on our design and layout of our client's project. So it's either gamay ra gid ang difference ana. So for example, si client mo pull out, so i-estimate ta tanan since na naman gud sa detailed plans. I-estimate sa tanan, i-estimate to tanan, makuha na to ang total contract price of the project. So with our total contract price, which is 1.6 million, so times 8%, residential design rate, and mo na iyang total actual design fee, which is 132,000. Then i-add ang ato ang VAT, mo na iyang total fee. Then i-deduct sa nato tong iyang nabayaran una sa design fee, which is 42,000. So ang remaining balance ng client is 106,921.89 pesos. Adjusted balance na siya. And after paying that, our client will receive the 5 sets of plans and signed and sealed, including the bill of materials. So here's our payment option for the bill if our client will proceed for the bill. So he or she will be pwede siya spot cash, pwede siya of deferred cash, or we call it now progress billing payment. And also, the bank or pag-ibig financing or the ABSLAI financing. Kaya ABSLAI is katong mga uniform personnel, mga military, police, etc. etc. Then here's our computation for the progress billing of deferred cash. So example, si client proceeds at a project which has a total contract price of 1.6 million. So ours, mabayad din siya una 30% down payment as our standard down DP to start with the build construction. So money bayad ni client na down payment which is 400 plus, and also pwede sa data tagaan si client offer o kanang equity. You can tayo si client wala pa siya magdali but eager na kanang hinay bayad. So we offer our client to have 6 months monthly equity. Then after that equity, pwede tayo maka-start sa project, makabuild dito sa project. And for the remaining balance, it depends on how long will be our project duration. So ang remaining balance ano niya is i-divide na siya o pila ka months na ito mahuman ang project. Then also, for progress billing, ang payment na ito is the 70%, then natay ka ng construction schedule, each month until mahuman ang project, until matuloy ang project, natay target na site progress per month. Then that site progress will equivalent to the amount bayaran ng client monthly until mahuman ang project with no remaining balance until mag-turnover. So for the bank or pag-ibig financing, so same gap ang process, 30% down payment to start with the build, and also for the 30% including na sa dana ang pag-process sa building permit, tanang mga licensing needed to start the project. And also same gap nga if equity niya i-divide na siya og 6, then ang remaining balance ana will proceed to bank or pag-ibig financing. So ang atong partner nga bank gid diri sa atong company is the Security Bank. Then for the bank financing, we will be the one to process the application. Then given that our clients will provide everything for the requirements for the bank financing. And for the pag-ibig financing, we will support our client to do the application since siya magud ang ma-apply for bank. Then, musupply namin sa mga needed documents for faster approval. Actually, we have our client now na avail sa itong build no pay later Cebu siya nga project. Then, waiting na lang for notice for approval sa ihang bank loan, which is apartment ihang property sa Minglanilla. Then, gladly nga ang gingon dun sa manager is na siya subject for approval. So hopefully next week matagaan ang big notice for approval. Then nga na process once if our client will proceed to bank financing or pag-ibig financing, ayan na siya mabayad sa 30% down payment once na na-notice for approval. Kaya para dili masayang ng 30% down payment. So here's our the requirements for build. So kani nga mga requirements is are same ra sa pag-process nato sa mga clients nato nga ni-avail ka ng mga house and lot bitaw sa mga developer. By the way, for information of everybody, we are a contractor, we are not a developer. So we are not also competitors since services man ang gi-offer dili man ang product yun. Then we are just add on to the developer if magpa-interior sila, then if na yung mga lot only, yan yung mga client nga magpa-build, pwede rin naman sila i-cater. So, basin pag ma-confuse bitaw nga, ay kung ano yun ka na kompetensya, we are not competitor with the developer. So same ra gyapon ang requirements nato, ang title, ang photocopy of IDs,
Or engineer mo mo subcontract. Di po.
Subcontractor may sa developer may ana. More likely ana.
Subcontract.
But pwede ano naman na siya sir kana
Di subcontractor type, si developer.
Civil ang mo as a
Direct.
contractor.
Kung ang client na mismo mamuhar lang mo, kay
Direct.
mag-offense o
Pwede
mag-offense, so
ra.
direct me nga contractor.
Contractor.
Pwede ra po ang developer.
Yes, but kung ingana mo good for interior and fence, client na mo guna nga ang press ang
Gawas
mga
naman
sa
siya.
primary home stress, pwede mo may magpa-fence, pwede may magpakuha o lain nga, namin na mismo makuha o contractor.
Yes. So for Kuanda, for the records, we have completed 2 interior designs in Richwood primary homes. Then mga private clients na mo nga na isang asa diri sa Bohol, na asa Trinidad, na asa Anda, na asa Mabini, na asa Dawis, dagan na may napatupod ng mga private clients sa ng mga balay. Nananaganit sa may mga client nga repeat client na mo since nagginahan sila sa among services, then which is most of namong i-work out karon.
Kung mga ginagmay rapid na nga budget sir, mo cater yapon mo na.
Yes sir, but depends on the kuandre sir, depends ato ang kuandre is wala may minimum amount or value sa atong project since our project cost will vary on the design and layout of the project yes sir. Dili ta mo sulti o pila minimum.
Mo yung nana ba, mo rin akong budget mo yung
Nasa yung mga client na kung mawag yun ng budget, mara po to.
kaya ninyo ni
Mara po na akong pasigustuhan sa ila. Like, pila ilang budget na kaya, mara po na mong mahatag na design sa ila. So proportionate ra may dire sa ato ang client. So saver ka po na siya ng requirements tanan. So for our construct now pay later na program, so dapat si client is self-employed, have business or nasa ka ng income generating, also locally employed and also working abroad. Most of our clients are working abroad man. Nasa tayo mga local employed. And then man ito mga standard requirements for the self-employed. Magsana kami sa ang GC, magamak tayo GC para natay ka ng faster communications. Then locally employed, then working abroad. Then for our pre-qualifications, muna itong marital status, age, employment, status, and gross monthly income. So si age, mabari ginato na siya, dapat ang from starting 18 years old to 65 years old, ginato ang age gap sa ang services itong client. Kaya hindi naman siya ka-avail if lagpas na siya 70 if mo apply siya ng bank financing. But dato gid si client na 80 years old na siya, na i-cash niya, pwede kayo. Wala problema. Kung dato si client. Mao ginatugig So dapat si client sa marital status is happily married.
Oh my gosh, happily married. Really happily married.
So no problem in acquiring property or conjugal partnership. Separated but in good terms. Wala sila yung mga bigil or something na. So they can apply for financing as long as the spouse will sign the bank application form. So separated but not in good terms, obviously di na siya appeal. O di na siya not qualified din na siya. So he or she may choose spot cash or progress billing payment. Di siya pwede sa ito ang construct na appeal later. So employment status, our client should be regular employee and must be employed for at least 2 years. So dapat iyang monthly gross income is 40% sa yaman for the monthly amortization na to. So how to get the required gross monthly income? So muna itong computation for option 3, flexible banking financing. If not niya down payment is 450,000, 30% or installment niya mo na yung bayaran for equity, and ang loanable amount niya is 1 million, then money ito ang monthly amortization na required ni client. For 15 years at 8% per annum, since magid niya ito, ang 8% is magid ang standard interest rate sa bank. Then for 20 years, 8% per annum, money ang monthly required monthly income. So ways to reach required gross monthly income. So combine gross monthly income for a married couple, maximize the down payment, aron mo gamay-gamay ang ihang katong monthly amortization, and then look for qualified co-borrower. Then atong borrower nga ma-apply until third degree consanguinity or affinity. So mo ni siya, so ang atong co-borrower mo ni atong mga kuan pwede nga mga co-borrower. So immediate family members from fourth degree to first degree. Then sa mga sa imong bana sa imong asawa, mga in-laws nimo until fourth degree gihapon. Then proceeding ang atong mga co-borrower is nasa sa income or employee sa siya. And isa po mga co-borrower tan wala sa trabaho, sa nag-upload sa bangko ana. So, mga risk clients nato is those employed in war zone countries. Ang ilang maabil ra nga kanang payment option is the spot cash, progress billing, and upslide. In kaso matakabaw, mapatay, kaysa may mabayad. Then for lawyers and lawyers by profession, same yapon, spot cash, progress billing, and bank finance. Maka-avail sila sa bank financing. And factor that affect loans, so ang foreclosure, ang for sale, mga yan, ang mga nasa pictures. Manato ang mga factors that affect loan approval. So, one is just proof of ownership that can be applied for mortgage, tax declaration, OCT, under pre-patent, and transfer at TCT. So, one ito ang summary of our availments at ang payment option. So if our client has already a tax declaration, so ayan, avail na is spot cash or progress billing or deferred cash payment option. If deed of sale, same hapon, then appeal title, same hapon. But if na siya OCT or TCT, maka-avail siya whatever payment option ihang gusto nga i-apply. Considering nga na siya kanang land title which is under his or her name.